Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening according to the time you're watching this video right now. In today's video, I want to teach you guys how to get free US number from Talkatone. You have to download this VPN called Bada. It's available on Android and iOS, but I'm using iPhone for this tutorial. That's why I was doing voiceover to it. So once you download this Bada VPN, you will connect it to Portland, United States. Once you've done that, the login for this VPN will be available in my Telegram group, my Telegram channel. Join now to have it. Then once you connect it to Portland, you go straight to your Talkatone using a new email or a United States email. Anyhow, just create any email to break in the Talkatone. So once you get into the Talkatone, just follow these steps, and I'm very sure you get the number. So if you enjoyed this video, like this video, share and comment. Subscribe for more content like this. If this is not working for you, I'm dropping Text Plus, Text Now, and other app as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Enjoy your video.